Is it necessary to wash face after applying aloe vera gel?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to address a common question many of you have about using aloe vera gel on your face. Is it necessary to wash face after applying aloe vera gel? Aloe vera gel is a great natural product known for its skin benefits, but how should you use it for maximum effect? Let's explore.
Understanding aloe vera gel.
Aloe vera gel is derived from the aloe plant, a succulent species that has been used for centuries for its health and beauty benefits. This gel is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making it a fantastic option for skincare. It is known to soothe sunburns, moisturize the skin, fight acne, and even slow down signs of aging.
Do you need to wash off aloe vera gel?
The short answer is no, you do not need to wash off aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is generally safe and beneficial to leave on your skin. It absorbs quickly, offering deep hydration and nutrition to your skin cells. This absorption is actually why aloe vera gel works so well. By washing it off, you might actually lose some of its benefits. However, like any skincare product, how your skin reacts can depend on your individual skin type and sensitivity. If you experience any discomfort, irritation, or redness after applying aloe vera gel, it's advisable to rinse it off and consult with a dermatologist or a skincare expert.
How should you use aloe vera gel?
Cleanse your face first to remove dirt and oils, then apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel. Let it absorb fully into your skin. You can leave it on overnight as a mask, or use it as a moisturizer during the day. This natural remedy can be used daily, but again, pay attention to how your skin reacts and adjust usage accordingly. Aloe vera gel is a fantastic, natural skincare product that can provide a variety of benefits to your skin. Remember, you don't usually need to wash it off after application as it is designed to absorb and nourish your skin. But everyone's skin is unique, so listen to your own. If you have any adverse reactions, don't hesitate to consult a professional. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion. Stay radiant and healthy, everyone.